What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to speed up your iPhone or iPad and prevent it from having performance issues. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, we will take a look at your iPhone settings. In your Settings application, navigate to the General section. Select Software Update and download the latest update before restarting your iPhone. This can already fix performance issues and will speed up your iPhone. Back in your General settings, tap on iPhone Storage. It's suggested to have a minimum of available storage on your device, as some applications will read and write data while the app is running. You can follow the storage recommendations, such as deleting unused apps or removing watched movies. To manually clear up some space on your device, scroll down and delete individual apps that are taking up a lot of storage. After taking a look at your iPhone storage, head back to your main settings and select Battery. Here, disable the low power mode. This can slow down your iPhone when enabled, but your battery life will in turn also be reduced. If you experience any network-related lag, for example if an online game is unable to properly connect to your Wi-Fi, then make sure to disable your VPN connection. Back in your General settings, select VPN and Device Management. Disable your VPN or proxy in case you are using one. You can then close your iPhone settings and open up your App Store. Here, look up the app that is causing low performance on your iPhone and make sure that it's up to date. If it's already up to date, then you might be able to lower your in-game settings or the streaming quality if it's an app such as Netflix or YouTube. Lastly, make sure to close all apps that are currently running in the background. This will clear up some memory and can speed up your iPhone. All of these steps and additional information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.